Hello everyone, my name is Arish and in today's video we're going to learn about the solar system part 3, the dwarf planets. So let's begin. Ceres is a dwarf planet. It is the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. And it's the only dwarf planet located in our solar system. It was the first member of the asteroid belt to be discovered when Giuseppe Piazzi spotted it in 1801. Ceres is much smaller than the Moon, which is, which is shown below on the same scale as Ceres and Vesta above. Nonetheless, Ceres is sometimes referred to as a dwarf planet, along with Pluto and a growing list of other objects. Moon image from NASA's Galileo spacecraft. Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet. A dwarf planet travels around or orbits the sun just like the other planets, but it is much smaller. Pluto is a dwarf planet that lies in the Kuiper belt, an area full of icy bodies and other dwarf planets, our past Neptune. Pluto is very small, only about half the width of the United States, and its biggest moon, Charon, is about half the size of Pluto. Pluto is a complex and mysterious world with mountains, valleys, plains, craters, and maybe glaciers. Discovered in 1930, Pluto was long considered our solar system's ninth planet, but after the discovery of similar integrating worlds deeper in the distant Kuiper belt, icy Pluto was classified as a dwarf planet. Haumea. Dwarf planet Haumea is a member of a group of objects that orbit a disk-like zone beyond the orbit of Neptune called the Kuiper belt. Haumea takes 285 Earth years to make just one trip around the sun. As Haumea orbits the Sun, it completes one rotation every 4 hours, making one of the fastest rotating large objects in our solar system. Haumea is made of rock covered in ice. It is very cold because it is so far from the Sun. The average surface temperature is thought to be around minus 240 Celsius or 32 K. Really, really cold. Haumea has two known moons named Iaka and Namaka. Makemake, slightly smaller than Pluto. Makemake is the second brightest object in the Kuiper belt. As seen from Earth, while Pluto is the brightest, it takes about 305 Earth years for this dwarf planet to make one trip around the Sun. Wow, long. Makemake is made of rock and ice. Observers suggest it is very cold. It has an average temperature of around minus 243 Celsius or 30 K. Its surface is a red-brown color, similar to Pluto. Eris. Eris is one of the largest known dwarf planets in our solar system. It's about the same size as Pluto, but is 3 times farther than the Sun. Eris does not clear out its orbit, so it did not meet one of the requirements. Consequently, it was placed in the newly created category of dwarf planets along with Pluto and Ceres. which also did not meet all of the requirements to be called a planet. Eris has one moon that we currently know about. A day on Eris takes 25.9 hours. Eris has one moon. Dionomia, Pluto discovered in 1930. He orbits the Sun at an average of 39.5 times the Earth's distance. Its diameter is 1,430 miles, which is 2,302 kilometers. Massive. Please subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and click on that notification bell so you never ever miss any other of my videos. You know the drill? Alright. Now, bye guys.